Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at the Jabra Elite Active 75T, and these are true wireless earbuds. They come in nicely packaged. They have different colors, but I like these navy blue ones. It says here that you can download the application. And this is what you get. Here's the charging case. And this is where you place the earbuds. And they come with these pieces on, but there are more here, different sizes for different ears. So you have two more pairs, smaller and bigger. Then you have your cable, and everything is the navy blue. And this is how you charge them. And they have a magnet, so they don't actually fall off from here. You can close it, and there goes the light telling you that they're charging. Very nice and slim. I have the previous version, the 65. And I really like these, but I wanted to get these as well because I know that they sound great. Now, once you take these off from here, they'll try to pair with your phone. You can see the little light blinking, trying to pair. And if you open the application, let's pair with the new Jabra. And here's the Jabra Elite Active. On the application, you can explore. And these are the sizes that you get. How to put them on. The right earbud, what it does. You can answer calls, end calls, reject incoming call, play, pause, volume up, voice assistant. And you can use only one if you want. The left side, you can mute, volume down, next track, restart track, hear through, slide tone, and hear through. I like that function because when I'm running, I want to hear the cars, traffic around me while listening to music. But if I want to focus, I'll turn this off and I just listen to music, and that is it. So if we're done exploring, you can update. Let's update later. Now, one of the things that I like about this application that Jabra has, you can use one of those presets or you can do it manually. So if you want a bass boost, it does that automatically. Treble boost, speech, smooth, neutral, energize. And also you'll see the hear through button here. If you want to hear some of the exterior sounds or less, you can adjust. It's up to you. The battery life here, 65% on the case, 41% on the earbuds. They stay put, they stay in place. I've used them while working out and I've used them while running, and they're good at both. I hope the video helps you in any way. Thank you and enjoy.